Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best gutter guards that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the AM Gutter Guard. Premium heavy-duty, lifetime quality aluminum, leaf and debris protection. The AM aluminum gutter guards are an excellent backup choice if our top pick is unavailable. The design is very similar, with a simple all-aluminum construction, though it fastens to the front of the gutter and rests on the back of the gutter instead of using screws on both sides. It does have nice tabs so that two pieces can fit together seamlessly without creating gaps, but we prefer the gutters that have screws at the back as well, which did a better job resisting buckling than this model. Everything else about the AM gutters was exceptional. They are easy to install, very easy to cut, affordable. At the time of testing, they cost right around $1.20 per linear foot, and they look great. They don't come in the same range of colors as our other gutter picks, if that's something you care about, but they are available for both 5-inch and 6-inch gutter widths, and work with a wide range of gutter designs. Moving on, at number 4, we have the LeafTek 5 inches Gutter Guard Leaf Protection. The LeafTek Gutter Guard system is one of the most popular that we found, and it definitely lives up to that billing. Though it's not the best gutter guard we tested, it was easy to work with, lightweight, durable, and affordable. It is a tad more expensive at most lengths than the top picks we tested, though the prices of aluminum are variable and that can change. Overall, it's a quality product that is worth the investment, though it did seem a little flimsier at the seams and the vented ridges weren't as tall as on other gutters. That said, it didn't have any issues in our long-term testing with debris or clogging. It is available in white and black, with enamel coatings for both, and it comes in lengths ranging from 32 feet up to 200 feet at about $1.50 per linear foot. Like our top pick, it comes with a range of hex head self-tapping screws that were able to easily drive into the existing gutter and will be easier to remove later, even if they were to rust. At number 3, we have the Raptor Gutter Guard Stainless Steel Micro Mesh. The Raptor Stainless Steel Micro Mesh is a unique type of gutter guard that uses a heavy-duty mesh of woven stainless steel, letting water permeate, but not any debris. It is definitely better at blocking everything that might enter your gutter than the Swiss cheese-style guards, but I found the installation a lot trickier. They're nearly twice as expensive at $2 per linear foot, and cleaning them off can be cumbersome. The basic installation of these, like other gutter guards, was pretty simple. It comes with self-tapping hex head screws, and you're meant to pop these into place and then fasten them down. It goes smoothly enough, though the micro mesh can pretty easily cut your skin if you're not careful. The installation guide was refreshingly simple, with very clear pictures and diagrams. The one thing I took issue with is the recommendation to potentially pop these under the last row of shingles. It doesn't specifically mention this, but I would have real concerns about that causing ice dams in freezing climates, driving frozen, and eventually thawed water right back into your home. The guide presents plenty of alternative arrangements though, so it's not a requirement. At number 2, we have the Amerimax Home Products 86670 Snap-In Filter Gutter Guard. The Amerimax Snap-In Gutter Guard promises a dead simple installation that doesn't require any screws at all. These are lightweight, affordable, mesh-style guards that are made primarily of plastic. They're meant to just pop into your gutter, using the size of the guard and the gutter to create the tension to keep them in place. In our experience, these just don't hold up to any significant weight. Even our basic downpour test using a hose caused these to buckle slightly, leaving openings that leaves and needles could flow right into. They may slow your gutters, clogging problems, but they won't fix them. They are affordable at less than $1 per linear foot, but the savings just aren't worth the hassle. And finally, at number 1, we have the Frost King VX 626 inches X20 Plastic Gutter Guard. The Frost King Plastic Gutter Mesh promises a simple, tool-free solution to your clogged gutter woes. But it just doesn't hold up. This is little more than a roll of plastic mesh that you bend and place in your gutter. It will generally do a half-decent job of keeping large leaves out and letting water pass through, but it's barely able to keep any sort of pine needle or small leaf debris out in our experience. The main issue here is that this just can't stand up to any significant weight. Though not everyone gets the kind of snow that we do in New England, even more than a lightweight load of leaves and the guard pieces begin to buckle. These are dead simple to install and very affordable. But unless your needs are extraordinarily limited, these likely won't hold up. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.